Hitter managing people, checking tasks, and sending updates isn't actually project management. Do you mind if I share a short story with you? I want to tell you about this project manager. We'll just call him Robert. See, on his first big project, he had everything. He had the title, he had the charter, he had the critical launch date. And you know what? He thought he got all of the responsibility. And not to mention, he had the authority now to actually lead the team. So he ran his daily check ins. He asked the engineers, what's your progress? Asked the designers, where are the mock ups? And he managed kind of like a real pro, to be honest with you. But he did notice something. He noticed that progress was moving slow. The team was talented, but the momentum was dead. So what Robert started to wonder is, am I just a status checker with the title of project manager or project coordinator or project you fill in the blank? See, then one day he paused. He thought to himself and started looking around. He saw his engineer was stuck in three unrelated meetings. His designer was fighting with a laptop from the dinosaur ages. The problem wasn't the people, it was the actual environment. Therefore, Robert adjusted his mindset. He stopped managing people and started leading by identifying what got in their way. He cleared distractions, he fixed tools, and he protected their integrity while protecting their focus. And suddenly the team didn't just work. I mean, they excelled.